Hey everyone, it's Carolyn. I'm going to be just jumping right into Trader Joe's dinner idea number 1. This is their orange chicken with fried rice, and we're making an easy wonton soup. Here's all the ingredients you're going to need. I got it all at Trader Joe's, of course, and I'm going to get started with the soup. So I'm going to take this package of shiitake mushrooms and just go ahead and slice those all up. I am also going to be using a small package of bok choy. Those just need to be washed and cut up into long strands.
Oh, my dear sweetheart, there's something I have to say to you. Can't hold it inside any longer. These feelings I have for you.
The only other prep needed is to just mince up these 2 little cloves of garlic.
Every day when I see your face, my heart skips a beat and I forget how to breathe. I start to shake and my...
I have a pot on my stove and I'm just going to go ahead and add in a carton of chicken broth. I'm going to get that boiling, and then I'm going to be adding in those minced garlic cloves as well as a few teaspoons of ginger. I always buy this frozen minced ginger at Trader Joe's. It makes it so fast and easy to use ginger because mincing and grating fresh ginger yourself takes a lot of time. Now, I just let that cook for about 5 minutes, and that ginger and garlic is going to flavor the broth immensely. Then I'm just going to go ahead and throw in all that bok choy. That cooks for about 5 minutes until it starts to soften, and then I'll just go ahead and throw in the mushrooms. Now here you're going to see me adding in wontons. You can buy these in the freezer section. They're called Cilantro chicken wontons, and they are pretty small. They're the perfect size for soup, so those only take like 3 or 4 minutes to cook, and then you can just add in a drizzle of soy sauce and sesame oil to taste. Now, while I was doing all that with the soup, I actually had the chicken in the oven cooking so that this all gets done at the same time and you have dinner on the table fast. So I just cooked this according to the package directions. So all you need to do is bake it in the oven. It comes with 2 flavor packets of sauce. Those you're going to add at the end after the chicken is cooked. But you literally just throw it in the oven, and then when it's almost done, you can get one of their packages of fried rice. They have this Japanese style one, plus a couple different styles of Chinese fried rice as well. Those only take 4 minutes to microwave, so it is just couldn't be easier. So once everything is all ready, you just add those sauce packets to your chicken. Instead of mixing it up and dirtying a bowl, I just do it right on the baking dish, which I have covered with foil to again even make it even easier. So at the very end, I just sprinkle a little bit of chives on the soup, and there you have it. You have an amazing Chinese meal. It's going to taste even better than the kind you get from the takeout, and it's going to cost you half the price. Easy Trader Joe's dinner number 2. I am going to be serving up some gyros tonight. Yes, I know that's not how you say gyro, but I'm American. Give me a break. So this comes together really fast because they sell this pre-cooked gyro slices. I got 2 boxes because I heard it's so good and I want to make one to bring to lunch at work tomorrow. So this cooks really easy. You could either microwave it, but that kind of wears me out. So I'm just going to warm it up on a skillet on my stovetop. And then they also sell this. It is an Indian flatbread, and it seems sort of like a pita that you would get on a gyro. So I'm also going to warm this up. I think it tastes really good warm, and it also makes it a little more flexible so that it doesn't break while you're eating it. And then all I have to do is chop up some tomato, some onion, and some cucumber. And then I'm going to top it with tzatziki that I also bought at Trader Joe's. So let's get started because I'm really hungry.
Just gonna break if I don't get to hold you. So I just had to write this letter. 'Cause girl, you're always on my mind. Nothing I have can make you better. 'Cause you've got something oh so right. Something
So my pita is warm. Just gonna add a few slices of the meat and then top it with some cucumbers, tomato slices, and sliced red onion. And then it's just not a gyro unless you top it with a giant scoop of tzatziki. So I bought some of that. And that's it. I'm just gonna serve it with a few of these Trader Joe's sweet potato chips, but you could make a Greek salad too, and that would make a really tasty dinner. So for dinner tonight, I'm going to be making an easy Trader Joe's Mediterranean rice bowl. Now, rice bowls are something that I really enjoy making when I have no clue what to make for dinner because they're super easy and versatile. You can pretty much put anything in it and it's gonna taste delicious. This is on my list of easy Trader Joe's dinners because pretty much everything that I'm using is already done for you. So for the meat, I'm going to be doing this. It is the shawarma chicken thighs. These are the most delicious Mediterranean marinated chicken thighs. I love making these in the summer out on the grill. The flavor is incredible. So these already come pre-marinated, so all I have to do is cook them. And then to make it even easier, as if rice wasn't easy enough, I'm going to be using their frozen rice. They have a couple different varieties. I usually just buy their brown rice, but this time I've decided to try this different blend. It has brown rice, red rice, and black barley. So their frozen rices are a huge time saver. All you have to do is microwave them for 3 minutes and they're done. So along with the chicken and the rice, you can just add any vegetable that you happen to have. Since it's a Mediterranean bowl, I'll probably add in some tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and olives, something like that. And then you could either top it with some of their hummus. You know Trader Joe's has great hummuses, tabbouleh, or even some of their tzatziki that I have left over from my gyros the other night. So that's what I'm gonna be putting in my rice bowl. I'm just gonna throw it all together super fast and show you how it came out.
Don't scare you off. Don't mean to be pushy about it. I don't usually say this much. I just had to tell you in all honesty. 'Cause every day when I see your face, I find myself dreaming about how it would be to feel your breath and hold your hand close to my heart. So I just had to write this letter. 'Cause girl, you're always on my mind. Nothing I have can make you better.
My last easy Trader Joe's dinner idea is pesto cauliflower gnocchi with grilled chicken. So we're going to start out with this cauliflower gnocchi. I'm using 2 packages because I love it so much. It's found in the freezer section. So you start out by adding it to a saute pan with a 1/4 cup of water, cover it with a lid, and then that's going to steam for about 6 to 8 minutes. Then you add a little bit of oil or butter and let it saute. So it's going to be cooked all the way through. It's going to be nice and soft on the inside, and it's going to be crispy and crunchy on the outside. And the texture on it is just amazing. I picked up a package of this. It is their grilled chicken strips. So this is already cooked all the way through. It's flavored. All you have to do is add it in at the end and let it warm up. I'm going to be using a bit of their fresh pesto. They also have it in a jar, so you can keep it in your pantry for busy nights. And then right at the end, I'm going to throw in a few of these fresh grape tomatoes for a pop of color.
Oh,
Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed seeing these Trader Joe's dinner ideas. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and a comment letting me know that you'd like to see another video with even more Trader Joe's dinner ideas. I'll see you on Tuesday with another brand new video. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!